How to add pages on Shopify. What's up guys, my name is Krause and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add new pages onto your Shopify store. So to get started, simply just log in onto Shopify, or if you don't already have a Shopify store, you can actually get started using the free trial down below. Now by using the link down below, you are only going to pay $1 for your first month, so make sure to actually click on the link if you do want to get started with Shopify. Either way, once you are logged in onto the Shopify dashboard, we will have to head over to the online store settings right here on the left. And then under pages, we are going to see all of the different pages that we currently have on our store. Now, by default, this is most likely only going to be the contact page right here. However, we can actually add a new page onto this by simply using this button on the top right. Now, we can then give a title. So in this case, I'm just going to name this, I guess, our mission. And then as for the content, we can now basically put in whatever we want. So I'm just going to put in something like founded in 1999, or brand is based in, I don't know. Basically, you can then actually also customize this content. For example, you can make this bold. You can also change the color of the text. Basically, you can do whatever you want. You can also change the formatting. So if you do want to add some headings onto this, you can do so. And you can basically put in whatever kind of text input you want. Now, if you actually do want to customize this page, I will also show you how to do this, but you can't really do this inside here. Right here, you can only add the text and also images, but other than that, you can't really customize anything inside here. Now, additionally, if you don't really know what you do want to put into this page right here, you can actually also use the AI feature right here, where you can then actually let AI rephrase your sentences or extend them or simplify them. And basically, you can use this if you don't want to. But I will just finish this. Our brand is based in, let's just say, Berlin, Germany. And then I'm just going to save this right now. And now if we're now going to view our store, as you can see, this isn't going to be visible right here, and we can't really go to this page. We have created it in the backend, however, we can't actually click on it on our online store. To change this, we will actually have to head over to the navigation settings right here on the left. Now, this will basically allow us to customize our main menu and footer menu. So in this case, I'm just going to select main menu, and then I'm going to add a new menu item. So I'm then just going to select the page which we've just created right here on the right. I'm just going to select our missions, and by now saving this is then actually going to be shown in the header basically on top of our page. We can then actually also drag this around depending on our own likings. And once we've saved this and once we are going to click on view your online store, as you can see, this is going to be fully visible, and we are going to see this right here, and we are also going to see the text. However, let me now show you how to actually customize this page so that it basically does look a little bit better, so that you can add images, sections, and so on. To do this, simply just head over to your online store and then click on customize. Now, right here, we are then going to basically see a general overview of our Shopify page, or of our Shopify store essentially. Now, I assume most of you are already familiar with the editor. On the left, you are going to see a general preview. Once we've selected certain elements, we are going to see the settings on the right, and we can actually also change the page that we are editing by using this navigation slider right here on top. So in this case, I'm just going to select, where is it? Pages right here. And then I'm just going to select default page. Now, as you can see, this is then going to give us a preview of this our mission page, which we've just created. However, guys, you'd have to be careful. If you're, for example, now going to add an image with text section right here, this isn't going to be added onto the our mission page. Rather, this is actually going to be added onto the default template of all of the different pages. So if we're now going to leave this image with text section, now all of the other pages and all of the upcoming pages that we are going to create are going to have this exact image with text section, which obviously we don't want. We do want to only show up this image with text section for our mission page. And basically, to do this, you will just have to delete this right here on the left. And then we want to head over to default page. pages, and then we do want to click on create template. So basically we will just have to create a new template, which is then only going to be assigned to our mission page. So in this case, I'm just going to name this our mission, going to click on create template, and now we can actually customize this. So let's for example say that we do want to add a rich text section onto this right here, and we can then put in whatever kind of text we do want right here on the right. We can also change the heading size and so on. So let's for example say we do want to then change the text also. Basically we can do everything inside here. However, in this case, I'm actually going to delete the button label. So to do this, I'm simply just going to basically delete the text right here on the right, and then this automatically is going to be deleted. So we can now repeat this by adding other blocks onto this, or other sections essentially. Let me show you this right here on the left, add section, and then we can basically add whatever kind of sections we want. For example, we can add a multi-row section onto this, and basically you will then just have to customize this depending on your own likings. But for now, I'm actually going to save this, and we still basically do have one step left. Now we actually do need to align the correct template onto our mission tab. So in this case, I'm just going to exit out of this, and right here on the pages, I'm just going to select our mission. And now we do need to change the theme template right here on the right to our mission. I'm going to save this, and if I'm now going to view this page, as you can see, we do have this custom made page. However, all of the other pages are going to look basically how the default template is going to look like. We all know that starting a successful Shopify store can be super hard. That's why I'm right now giving out my Shopify course for completely free. Now you're going to learn everything needed to actually streamline your Shopify success in that exact course. So make sure to click on the link down below to get started.